Some of the new Instagram features like vanish mode, co-watching are great and really fun. But if I have to pick one new additional feature that has been proven to be immensely helpful, then it would be the recently deleted feature. It lets you restore deleted posts on Instagram in just a few taps. So if you have accidentally deleted a post, story, reels or IGTV video, you can easily recover them on Instagram. So with that in mind, I am Kashif and let's go ahead and learn how to use this feature and restore deleted items on Instagram. Let me clarify that you can only restore deleted posts on Instagram within 30 days of the deletion. This is applicable to posts, reels and IGTV video of the Instagram. As for the Instagram stories, it can be restored within 24 hours of the deletion. That said, if you have enabled the stories archive feature, then the same 30 days window will apply to the stories as well. Now having made that clear, let's now go through the guide. So first of all, open the Instagram and open the profile page. Here tap on the hamburger menu on the top right side and open the settings. Now next move to account and then open recently deleted menu. Here you will find all your deleted items including posts, stories, reels and IGTV video. For example, if I have to restore the deleted post on the Instagram, then open it and tap on 3-dot menu. Now simply tap on restore and confirm the dialog box. It will take you to the authentication page. Here you will need to authenticate your identity using OTP sent to your mobile phone number or email ID. After that verification, the deleted post will be restored on your Instagram profile page. So that is how you can recover deleted items on Instagram within 30 days of deletion. I think Instagram has launched a great feature which is immensely helpful, and users who have inadvertently deleted posts or stories can recover easily. So that said, keep in mind after 30 days the deletion item will permanently removed from Instagram, so restore them before the windows closes. So that's been guys for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.